The RSI 3 timeframe alert indicator is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it externally. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and has operated. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL option from the Complete section and then click the Confirm option. When the indicator is run on the chart, an oscillator window appears at the bottom of the chart. The RSI 3 timeframe indicator displays 3 RSIs simultaneously on the chart in 3 different periods, and it issues buy and sell signals based on the changes in the RSIs relative to each other, their crosses, or even their movement above or below the 50 level when set in advance. The 3 time frames are based on the next 3 time frames. Here we are in the 15-minute interval, and the RSIs are displayed for 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Our first RSI is the blue line, the second RSI is the orange line, and the third RSI is the green line. When all 3 RSIs move downwards, it issues a sell signal, and when the RSIs move upwards, it issues a buy signal. In the Settings section, under Inputs, there are options available. The first part relates to the display settings, theme, or the custom template of the indicator. It has 3 sections: Light, Dark, and Custom. By selecting the Light option, a light template is applied to the chart. The template that is on my chart is selected with the dark option for a dark template, and by choosing the custom option, you can keep your customized template, and the indicator will run on the chart. The next section pertains to the settings of our first RSI, or RSI 1, 2, and 3, which are all set with a default period of 2 based on the time frame we are in. Here we also have a second RSI, or RSI B, that is set on all 3 previous time frames, but you can change their periods here. For example, if we have periods of 2, 2, 2, you can set them to a period of 14 or any periods that suit your strategy. The next section relates to the time frame, where you can set 3 time frames here, and set your time frame here. If you have it set to default, it will be adjusted to your next 3 time frames and display their periods. Here, I select the dark template and do not change the settings, and then I click Confirm. The dark template has been applied to my chart. The RSI displays buy and sell signals for me here. These large points and the points located at the top are for RSI B. When these periods change, the points of this RSI will also change. The buy and sell signals it provides. However, since your periods are equal here, the points that give buy and sell signals are equal to the points of RSI A. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.